Yo, raw Aesthetica, raw frequencies. It's time to flip on highway tuner and see your section from both directions. Time for the crux on the projections. You niggas is projecting your lower natures on me. Blinding all three eyes to points y'all can't see on a higher level. Origin being descended down this plane with a suit of flesh to attach a mere mundane label on me that I'm just a more mere human being and disrespect on what? Mirrored first and seventh, I cannot relate, I cannot build those crux. That side scales with you if you can't come to me. Pay me my dues of my dignity, cause I'm way higher than that. Way more expensive than that. I will not allow y'all to put y'all frenzy crux on me. And yeah, Mercurial frequencies showed A wants to be expand upon expansively, yeah.